tree. You can see what would normally fall off, and to produce more trees, the seeds are still there. They didn't fall. They died. All the trees here are dead. The leaves are still there. I mean, you see lots on the ground. Yeah, you saw that in July too. Because I was filming in July, and I filmed lots of stuff. I made a break, but I'm at a place where I filmed before as well, and here you can still see in July. Look back in my videos. There's leaves here, and they're still there, and they are dead. And they've been there since July, and they've been dead since July, but they didn't fall. Now I'm going to go over here to some areas where I was before, and you'll really see the burning. The reds here, that's not normal. There's quite a lot of it here. The tree above. Well, we can get closer to here, to this maple here, and the leaves are really funky colors. You can really see the oil here. Now, when I filmed this, I was filming here, and I talked to an older gentleman. He was a German guy. I am in Germany. I am speaking English because I'm American. But to notice this here is, you have to be a fool not to see this. This isn't like no fall I've ever seen. No fall whatsoever. This all started in July, like I said before. Let's go into the park. First we'll look at that here. That leaf is really these spots here. Wow. That is crazy. I'm gonna go a little fast because I only have 15 minutes for a video. We got, whoa, the green stuff here is all with lots of holes in the leaves and many burns and strange colors on the leaves. Everything just looks really dark, darker as it really should. And I go here. I was here before. There's more leaves that are colored funny. Look like the roses that I was at before. The dumpsters now moved. It's been some time. The roses look actually okay at the moment, but they actually do break apart. Well, they're not so vibrant as they normally are. And these ones here, and the leaves, that's how most of them look. Some of them do look okay, but then you look at them closely, you see that there's really strange discolor. There's funny colors. Like here as well, red, really red. Looks like someone put blood on it or something, or spray paint, but that is not spray paint. Look here, and we'll go further. Look at all these trees here. And still, lots of the things are still there, hanging in the tree. Normally they're all down by now. I mean, this is November, and I forget what they're called. Those types of seeds are like, yeah, the helicopter seeds. Yeah, normally those are all fallen by now, and they're still all there. I don't think they had time to develop correctly. Oh, the tree, even here, some of this tree here. When I first filmed, excuse me, I'm drinking something. When I first filmed, I came to this tree here because there was a branch that had fallen off the tree, and wow, I actually haven't been out in here in quite some time because I've been taking a break from this and working on some music, and so I haven't really had much time to come out and walk around. But I went to this tree here, and I have some of the leaves, and it's really looking really bad. All the trees here are looking bad. I don't see any tree here that looks healthy. They all look really dark, and the branches are all pointing down. They don't point up. Normally the branches are pointing up. Okay, this tree, I can imagine that it would be there's big branches that the tree would. But the color is for here is really funny, I think. And look, some of the stuff in the tree here is really odd. Yeah, dead. That's something interesting. A leaf just came right off of my hand. No effort whatsoever. I'm gonna go over to the fountain. I don't think I'm gonna have enough time to go over to the Kaiser Wilhelm Park, but these trees look really, really, really bad. I'm just wondering what the spring's gonna look like. The fountain looks very, very dirty. All the plants around the fountain are pretty much dead. They've been well, they were dead a long time ago. Look at these. They're funky colors. Trees, all the trees, even the leaves on the ground have like an oily substance on them. If you see, look, comes up with my finger. Very cool, very, very strange. The leaves all have this oily, dirty substance on them. Even this is a different type of plant, and it has the same oily shit on it. All the leaves do here. We should get in a sample of the water here. The leaves here. All this stuff. It usually is. Okay, it is fall, but this is like no fall I've ever seen before. Because we got colors in leaves and plants that don't normally have these kind of colors in them. That's definitely not normal. Back over the fence. Let's try to get to the park. This tree here even has the black shit on the leaves. Krefeld, Germany, elevation about 129 feet above the sea. It's about 59 meters or 58. About 59. You BP people out there, just so you know, it's not just the United States that you're screwing with, or Halliburton, or even Blackwater for that matter, or XE, whatever you want to call these guys. But they really screwed our world. And this is not normal. These things are being pushed like the Codex Elementos. They're being pushed. Now, if all these trees are dying, now what's going to produce our air? Even the grass isn't normal. Can't really see it with my camera, but the grass is burnt too. Now look at these trees here. Now this is a pretty wide area. Lots of trees here, but all the trees in this area are affected by this. This is the one area that I concentrate on, but this is all over the place. There hasn't been one area I've gone to in Germany where the leaves haven't been like this. And it's not from cars. This is definitely not from cars. I mean, the cars have been here, and yeah, they're a part of the reason, but it's not the reason for the mass amounts of shit to be in the rain. Why I got yellow rainwater, that is level 3. We'll go this way. We can better see the trees in this direction. I'm running out of batteries. There's always something with my filming. Either no place or no batteries. Look down here at this track. All the trees. All the trees. And the trees in the park too. Which I might be able to get one less than a minute of, if I'm fast enough. Look, I walked a little bit of a distance, and you see the black stuff in the trees here. You see it? It's everywhere. I gotta say goodbye. Really funky colors. Goodbye.